Okay, there you go.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. But what?
Before we get started.
Before we get started, what? What you want to say?
Hello?
Yes, we gotta welcome them because this is our very first video. You want to say hi? Say welcome. Oh, he's not feeling it. Bye.
I'm not filming it either.
Okay, you just want me to do it?
Yeah.
Boo. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are the David family. We're gonna have so much. Yeah, great. We're gonna have so much in store for you on our channel. This is just our very first video. We're so excited, and we hope you're entertained. You get some laughs, and yeah, have fun with us, right?
It's alive.
It's alive. Okay. Okay, so jumping right into the video, we are in the shower, sudsing up Bailey's hair. She's gonna freak out throughout the video because she does not like to get her hair done, so don't worry, I'm not abusing my child. She just does not like me touching her hair, but she loves the results. So yeah, so as you can see, I only shampooed one side so far because I detangle before we wash, and I don't want it to all get tangled up as we're scrubbing. And now we try something new this time. She's rinsing her hair so it won't be so traumatic. I try to make it as enjoyable as I can. There's Bonnet Me. Try to make it as enjoyable as I can for her because I don't want her, I don't want everything to be so sad and crazy and, all that. So I think we're getting ready to do conditioner. We washed and rinsed both sides already. Yep, I'm adding in some conditioner. And the conditioners that I used was the Aussie. I have to link it in the description because I can't remember exactly, but yeah. Aussie, it's like in a big purple bottle. I use the same shampoo from the same collection for the Aussie. And then I use Africa's Best sulfate-free shampoo because I like the smell, and the sulfate-free is better for hair. Okay, so here I added a little bit more conditioner. I added some Carol's Daughter, the vanilla spray, the vanilla leave-in conditioner too. And we are keeping it separate. You see I have the conditioner drenched because it's easier to comb it out. So we're using our detangle brush. I'm going from the ends first. Look at those curls. Look at that curly girl. So this is that brush. I have to link this brush too. I'm pretty sure everybody has this because it was like super big last year. It separates as you detangle, as you brush through. And it's a lifesaver because using a paddle brush, using a comb, it's gonna pull, and she's gonna feel like you're pulling her scalp out. So, obviously you guys see the name of the game is separation, keeping the hair as separate as you can. I don't like to take too long detangling her hair out, so I don't do a whole bunch of different sections, but I do down the middle and then part that section down the middle. Look at Beanie back there. I kept these clips audio free from like the original audio because, number one, I gotta talk you through what's going on, but number two, yeah, YouTube playing in the background. Bailey was crying every once in a while, and then Benny mocking Bailey crying. So yeah, chaos. Story of my life. Now we're just about done detangling. I I got a t-shirt. She has her towel around her. I put a blanket on her, but I dry her hair with a t-shirt to keep it from pulling her hair out. A lot of tips and tricks for texture hair. Like, you listen. It's a lot of work. But I did it for myself, so of course I'm doing it for my baby. So yeah, here I'm just plaiting up her hair. Plaiting, that's hilarious. Putting her in plaits, braids, whatever you call it. Keeping it in sections because as it dries up, it'll start to, the curls will start to come back together. And you don't want those to create tangles, so as much as possible, keep the sections separate. Okay, so we're about to blow dry now. What I did, I'll show you this. Okay, I went back. So I try to stretch out her roots first and then blow dry the ends because she gets really upset and freaked out about like the blow dryer being on her, neck and on her scalp because it's warm. It's got to be warm to get dry. I only put on the cool setting once I'm like almost finished so she can cool down. But yeah, I like to talk Bailey through a lot of what I'm doing, like I'm doing y'all, because I want her to understand, like, I'm not trying to hurt her. It's just our hair is different. It's textured. So when you want it in a different style other than your natural curls, you have to deal with it differently. And sometimes it takes a long time. See, she's stressed. Stressed. So as you can see, I stopped using the brush and I use my hand to stretch out the roots, and then I'll go back and brush through it and then make sure the ends are blow dry again, and then braid it back up. Now this next clip coming up, it's coming up soon, she's gonna show you a book. We have this hair book. We'll talk about it when we get there, but it really, she loves that book and she wanted to have one of the hairstyles from the book, so I thought that was cute. We did end up pressing her hair out after we blow dry. I use a hot comb. I have to do another video with the hot comb. I just forgot to record because I was trying to keep her calm the whole time, but yeah, I'll do another video with the hot comb. Old school hot comb on the stove. I need to get one that's electric. That'll be much easier. But yeah, you see me here plaiting it up again, keeping it out of the way. That's a dry piece, so I don't want it mixed with the other hair. Here's the Africa's Best Growth Oil. I'll buy a lot of their products, for one, because they're cheaper and we have to use a lot of product, but they do our hair justice. So I'm massaging in the oil, massaging it into the scalp, massaging in the scalp, rubbing it in, and now back to blow drying. And here it is. I'm just gonna unbraid, show you guys how it looks freshly blown out. And then, like I said, the next clip, me and Bailey Bailey's gonna talk about the book and what style she's gonna choose.
Mommy knows how to blow up.
That's the one you want.
Yeah, but she did one side, so when that is done, she don't have to do this side anymore.
Before you
So she
swear
has
off
to do
shoes
this
forever,
side
Okay, show the cover of the book. Show the cover.
Simply rub a candlestick on your
Show the front of the book.
See the wax coming off? Once you've covered the whole shoe, take a blow dryer
This
to
bad girl
This will
baby
seal up the wax.
is
It's called Happy Hair.
happy here. But this one is happy here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, mommy, this
Mhm.
isn't not actually a bow. This is a bow, but it's
Your
not.
clothes are no match for your
Yeah.
needs. See?
Okay, we're gonna get back on the chair.
Okay.
Good
Wait,
so far?
wait, let me get
Okay, spin around, baby. Oh, silly self. Turn around. Spin around.
lighter.
I know they gotta see you. They gotta see your pretty self. Turn around slowly.
They can see my pretty self without light.
Could you come on? Spin around. Turn around to the back. Nice. Okay. You straighten this. I use the chase method with a fine tip comb and the flat irons.
On the ground.
Yes. No hot comb because Bailey does not want the hot comb anymore.
Huh?
I said Bailey doesn't want the hot comb anymore. Okay, say bye. Or it's our hair turned out.
Let me do it over here at this thing.
Say hi. Say hi. What we about to do?
We're about to go to school.
Yes. Look, her hair turned out so pretty.
She did last time.
Last night. Come on, let's go. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with more videos.